It's so bright and shiny.
It is scrambled eggs.
Hey y'all, today for breakfast I made cottage cheese eggs on toast. To start, I took 2 slices of sourdough bread, sprayed them with butter spray, and toasted them up. While the bread was toasting, I mixed together about 1/4 cup of cottage cheese and 2 large eggs.
Well, looks like I'm not eating today.
Next, I sprayed a small pot with nonstick cooking spray, turned the heat to medium-low, and poured in the egg mixture. I cooked the eggs until there was no liquid left in the pot, stirring occasionally so they stayed soft and creamy. While they were cooking, I added a little sprinkle of dried parsley flakes. This part is totally optional, but it makes the eggs look fancy.
Make it fancy.
And gives them a mild, earthy, slightly peppery flavor, but it's not overpowering. Once the eggs were finished, I spooned them right on top of the toast. Then I added another little sprinkle of parsley, tiny bit of salt, and some pepper. Now it's time for the taste test.
Have you been crying?
Just my allergies.
Alright y'all, that's how I made my cottage cheese eggs on toast. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.